Hello students, in this video I would like to teach chapter 1 of 11th standard computer science book, page 4 to 10, components of computers. If you want to know page 1 to 4, please refer my previous video. Components of a computer. These are the basic functional components of a computer which helps in making the data processing easier. See this diagram. Input unit. These three will be called as processing devices, together called as CPU, that is computer's brain, and storage devices and output unit. Collectively, these hardware components make up the computer system. The input unit takes the input, the central processing unit does the processing of data, and the output unit produces the output. The memory unit holds the data and instructions during the processing. The input unit is the fundamental part of the entire computer system. Output unit are hardware devices attached to the computer that conveys information to user in any understandable form. For example, monitor, printer, etc. And a few of the examples of input unit are keyboard, mouse, etc. The CPU has three components: control unit, ALU, and memory. CPU is the major component which interprets and executes software instructions. ALU usually performs all arithmetic and logical calculations, and the storage of the results will be in this internal memory. This memory unit has two types, primary and secondary memory. The main memory is the primary memory and this is the secondary memory. This main memory is used to store the programs or the result temporarily, and the secondary memory storage is used to store permanent data. Now let's see few input devices. The first one is keyboard. This is the most common input device. Letters, numbers, special characters together called as character keys. Then 0 to 9, that is numeric keys. Apart from that, functional keys F1, F2, like that. Few functional keys are available. And this is the diagram of the keyboard. Next comes the mouse. This is a scroll mouse, cordless mouse, optical mouse. This is the most common one. This mouse is called pointing device. It can be used to select icons, menus, command buttons, etc. Next input device is scanner. This scanner can convert any type of printed or written information into digital format. The fourth input device is fingerprint scanner. This is for finger recognition. The next one is trackball. This is similar to a mouse, but it is similar. Its design is upside down. The fifth one is retinal scanner. This is mainly useful for biometric purposes. Then the next one is light pen. It's a handheld light sensitive device. Next is optical character reader. This recognizes text within a digital image. The ninth input device is barcode or QR code. This captures and translates barcodes into numbers or letters. Next is voice input systems. Microphones captures the voice data and send it to the computer. Other input devices includes digital camera, touch screens. This is very familiar for us. For example, we are using daily our mobile phone. And the last one is keyer. It's a device for signaling by hand by pressing one or more switches. Now let's see the output devices. Monitor is the most commonly used output device. Usually monitor is of 2 or 3 types. That is the bulky one, the previous year's one, CRT cathode ray tube, LCD and LED. These are flat panel type like this. And the next output device is plotters. Plotters is an output device that is used to produce graphical output on papers. See this diagram. And next comes printers. Printers usually of 2 types, impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers are previous year's versions, that is daisy wheel, dot matrix, line printers, etc. And non-impact printers are inkjet, laser, etc. Impact printers produce much noise while printing. Its working is by direct contact of the ink ribbon with the paper. This is an example for dot matrix printer. And these are the examples for non-impact. That is, this one is inkjet and this one is laser. Non-impact example. These non-impact printers do not use striking mechanism for printing. They use electrostatic or laser technology. Quality and speed of these printers are better than impact printers. And apart from these printers, another output device is speaker. And the next one is projectors. Hope this video is useful for you. Let's see the next video later.